In today's video, we'll demystify APIs and give you a simplified guide to understanding how they work. What is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's like a messenger that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. Just imagine it as a waiter taking orders from customers and delivering them to the kitchen. But how does API actually work? Well, when you use a mobile app or a website, the front end, or the user interface, is responsible for what you see and interact with. But behind the scenes, the front end needs to talk to the back end, or the server, to fetch data and perform actions. And that's where APIs come into play. They act as a middleman, facilitating this communication between the front end and back end. APIs provide a set of rules and protocols that define how different software components should interact with each other. APIs work by sending a request and receiving responses. The front end sends a request to the API, specifying what data or action it needs from the back end. The API then processes this request, retrieves the requested data, and sends it back to the front end in a response. Let's say you're using a weather app. The front end sends a request to the API asking for the current weather information for your location. The API, in turn, contacts the backend server, retrieves the weather data and sends it back to the front end. And voila! You see the weather displayed on your screen. APIs can be used for a variety of purposes. They allow different applications to integrate and share data seamlessly, enabling functionalities like social media logins, payment gateways, and even third-party app integrations. In conclusion, APIs are essential for modern software development. They enable different software components to communicate effectively and share information. APIs act as the bridge between the front end and the back end, making our digital experiences possible. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun learning something about APIs.